our home. It has 10 models, namely number 1, Corona Prevention Classroom, bamboo-based school and hostel construction designed with natural ventilation. Number 2, Corona Oxygen Generating Garden. It has several plants to produce oxygen in its surroundings nature. Number 3, Waterless Urinal Design. Eco-friendly design that blocks urine inlet after use to prevent foul smell. Number 4, Waterless Latrine Design. Eco-friendly human waste to manure for garden. Number 5, Organic Waste Management. The organic waste generated from hostels is compost to school garden. Number 6, Solar Power Generation and Temperature Stabilized Surface for maximum solar efficiency of panels. Number 7, wind-based washing machine for washing clothes of students. Number 8, Clay Air Conditioner. Number 9, rainwater harvesting and filtering for drinking water. Number 10, wind power generated electricity. I have extensively researched to design an eco-friendly corona prevention residential school design with self-sufficient energy needs during corona pandemic vacation. Corona prevention classroom. The retractable roof with HDPE brings in natural sunlight. The research has proved that vitamin D, which is produced in human body due to exposure to sunlight, act as deterrent to coronavirus. This provides ample natural ventilation. Hence, no electricity is required for classroom lighting during daytime. Corona Oxygen Generating Garden. Some plants like aloe vera, bamboo, tulsi and spider plants are found to be producing more oxygen in its surrounding nature. Due to open wall design, the fresh oxygen from the garden adjacent to the classroom flows through classroom to overcome breathing troubles during respiratory pandemics like corona. Number 3, waterless eco-friendly clean urinals in school. We have developed a unique design with fully mechanical. No complex circuits or electronics utilized. Our solution is robust and easily adaptable. When the user occupies the pedestal, the urinal pedestal opens the urinal valve with using mechanical lever and closes the valve as soon as the user moves away. This design does not require water. Number 4, waterless eco-friendly latrine design. In this unique design, the human waste is collected within a container covered with lid. After the use, the user replaces lid. Since the water in human waste is absorbed by porous material in latrine and this water is not used for cleaning. Due to this, the solid waste material is converted into odorless waste. The resulting is used in agricultural fields for better farm produce. This waste pit is opened once in 6 months. Organic waste management. The organic waste generated from hostel and surrounding can be converted into compost using vermiculture. It utilizes to compost the vegetable cultivation in the school garden. Number 6, solar power generation. We have come up with a plug and play power system which can be easily installed by a common person. The solar panels are tied to bamboo roofs which are sprayed by water using sprinkler frequently. This keeps the solar panels cleaning for maximum solar radiation and the temperature of the solar panel is low due to increasing its efficiency as shown in the model. Number 7, wind washing machine. The wind washing machine design is backward to incorporate multi-utility functions. When the wind blows, the tap rotates and the clothes of children are washed without any energy requirement. Number 8, clay air conditioner. The air conditioner is made up of mud and it has small pores to escape of water from the classroom. The water is made to freely fall on the air conditioner during the wind blowing through them. This makes the reduction of air temperature flow, resulting naturally cooled indoors. 9. Rainwater harvesting. The rainwater collected from the roof during rainy season using the bamboo pipe and transferred to underground sump. After filtering it for solid particles, sodium and mineral filtering, the stored water can be used for safe drinking water, and it can also be useful for all purposes of school needs and garden watering as well, which is very good for health. Number 10. Wind powered electricity. When the wind blows, the electricity is generated and produced to lights and fans. The windmill design is multi-purpose machine, so it can be used for electricity generation and washing clothes and other purposes as well. Let us see a demo. Solar power generation. We can generate electricity using solar power. While we connect the wires, the fan rotates. Through the solar energy, I am providing fan and light system in classroom and hostel. Providing fan and light system in class. Corona prevention classroom. It has retractable HDPE brings in natural sunlight during early hours of day. The research has proved that vitamin D, which is produced in human body due to exposure to sunlight, act as deterrent to coronavirus. Is open and closed based on requirement.
Wind energy providing fan and
In night hours, through the wind energy, we are providing fan and light system into hostels. Just use it. Bamboo, water solar panels, screws, motors, generators, plastic fan bed, LED lights, wooden planks, wood wrappers, paper, glue, etc. Power generation make it suitable for hilly regions as well. Waterless urinals are widely accepted. Hence, should be encouraged in schools with less maintenance staff like schools in rural places. Our design has proven to be successful. And finally, we have authored a research based on our experiences with this design and published it. Thank you.